Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Messenger not sending or receiving messages on Android, you've come to the right place. And to do it is quite easily. First of all, open your Play Store and make sure that in Messenger, once you find your Messenger, it says open instead of update. If it says update, you need to update your Messenger first, and after that, try to open it. If it's not helped, go to your settings, and in settings you need to find your apps. So open settings, find here apps, click on it and find your messenger. Once you find your messenger, you need to clear your storage and cache. So just simply click on storage and cache. First of all, clear your cache, and second one, clear your storage. But you need to make sure that you remember your login and password, because when you clear your storage, your messenger will be unlogin. So you just need to enter your login and password. Once you've done that, this problem should be fixed. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.